So pretty. So pretty. I feel pretty, so pretty. Da, da. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Beth and this is Beth's Best Hair. I am so glad that you're here with me today. I have a brand new wig to show you from Paula Young. I purchased Janet. Janet is in the exclusive color Glazed Apricot. Glazed Apricot is an exclusive color to Paula Young. That color code is 227 number B4. Not quite sure what all those numbers mean, but I just wanted to give you the number code. Let's take a look. Here's what she looks like in the box. Just in case you're wondering, on my head I am wearing Heidi. Heidi is in the color SF1228 Honey, and this is one of my favorite wigs. It has a beautiful lace front. All right, Janet's cap. We have a basic cap. This is a soft felt. Then you have your open wefting, so we should have some permatease up in there. We have open ear tabs with a small bendy metal stay. We do have an extended nape, Velcro closures in Paula Young wigs. Now, a nice stretchy cap. Let's take a look at her parting out of the box. You can kind of see the crisscross there a little bit. And so the permatease in there, and get a look at the color. It's beautiful. I'm gonna cut her tags and put her on. Whoosh. All right, let's get her in place. Oh my gosh. Look at those curls. I haven't done anything yet. Oh, but she looks pretty. All right, let me get my comb here. While I'm just kind of combing out that crisscross, hey, I just want to remind you guys that I do still have my discount code BBH20. Now remember, that's going to save you 20% off. That is off of each wig that is $49.99 and over, excluding clearance. You can use that anytime you shop until the end of February this year, 2024. Ooh. Janet. Janet is cute. All right. Let me try to just get her bangs to the point where I can see. We got one little hair over there. Okay. This one bang here is being a little bit funky. That's okay. I haven't messed with her yet, but I want to go ahead and put the stock photo up here. I'm also going to include her measurements on the screen, and let's spin and check this girl out all the way around. Oh, look at those curls. Wow. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. Really, really nice movement. Look at this length. I love that. So pretty. All right, so I just want to let you know about the permatease. And I do feel a really good amount of permatease on top here. But how about this glazed apricot? Now, I was wearing Heidi and Honey. So let's just kind of Yeah, so you can see that there's a little bit more of an auburny gold in here. But I think they're on the similar tone. Really a pretty color. If you're looking for an auburn, it might look more auburn out in the sunlight. You guys, I'm sorry, I can't take you outside. We're overcast, we have 20-mile-an-hour winds, and it is 30 below zero with wind chill. Do you know what that means? That means when you walk outside, your face is going to absolutely freeze. You're gonna get frostbite on any extremities in a matter of minutes. So I'm hibernating, but which is fine because I have lots of wigs that I need to try on and review for you. The only thing, I feel like the bangs are a little bit kind of sticking up. So I would just maybe spritz them a little bit with water. Now, you could use a hot air brush on medium, but again, these are not heat friendly fibers, so that would be going at your own risk. I think that I am gonna try to work with those bangs a little bit. So first of all, I'm gonna just make sure that I have them all, and I'm just gonna put the hair back in a ponytail so that I don't get messed with that hair and those curls. Now I'm gonna pull it back from my hairline just a little bit so that it's easier for me to see. Okay, so I'm gonna spritz this with water again. And then just use my fine tooth comb and comb that down. Now, I have my little hot air brush that I got at Walmart. And I will link the hot air brush down below for you. So I'm just gonna do this. All right, that's all that I am going to do for the bangs. Put that back. So a lot of you probably like to wear your bangs straight down. I think you absolutely could, but if you have a higher forehead than me, it's probably a little bit low on my eyes. So I would probably trim it if I was wearing it straight across. All right, so Janet is beautiful. Beautiful curls, beautiful length for taking care of Janet. When I get home from work and I take my wigs off, you will see that right here at the nape, it is tangly. Sometimes really bad. That's okay. I love the Paula Young conditioner spray. I just spray it. And then I just use my wide tooth comb, starting at the bottom, working my way up, and just comb that out. Just like so. And sometimes I might have to spray it twice. Then, once that's all combed out, I hang it on my hook back here. Then it's ready to wear the next time that I want to put it on. I think Janet has a ton of beautiful styling options. And let's just try a few here. Just a simple ear tuck. You can see it there. My bio hair has some brown, matte brown eyeshadow. Perfect, just ear tucks really perfect. Looks so pretty. I love these curls. So if you guys have seen me do sort of the formal kind of side swept, let me just grab a clip and I'm gonna do that. And then I'll just clip it here. We could just jazz it up a little bit with a hair accessory. Put a cute little barrette in there. How fun is that? Let's try like a thicker headband. Oh, this is like 60s mod. You could like poof that up. You know, add your own little back combing. Oh my gosh, I love the mod look. I feel like the Love Shack, it's a little place where we can get together. Love Shack, yeah, yeah. Tin roof, rusted. Okay, enough with that fun. Let's just try a simple ponytail. I'm stuck in my earring. That's all right. We're gonna go with it. I can feel the tag, so make sure that's underneath. I'm just gonna do a little low pony. And then I just kind of like to pull the hair up at the crown a little bit. That's a cute ponytail wig. And you know, you can keep it messier if you want to. Wow, bring it over to the side a little bit. Oh, how fun. Oh my gosh, your claw clips. Let's just do half C, half C. Kind of twist it, poof it up a little bit with your hand, and then take your claw clip. This clip might not be big enough because it's thick hair. I kind of feel for Wes. That's cute. I just poof it. Yeah. This is, you know, I always say that about these wigs. This was my hair. This was my hair back in the day when our first daughter, when we had her baptized. I had the spiral perm and I wore my hair halfway up like this and I had bangs. Really, really pretty. Oh my goodness. So pretty. So pretty. I feel pretty, so pretty, da da. You know, you could also probably take a little bit more from this side and sort of do a little twist over. And then just use a pretty barrette, like a sparkly one. And that's a really cute one too. Fun, fun, fun. So it came on the left side, but you can move it on the right, as you can see, without a problem. So this is my right and left, and I just prefer left. It's just me. If you want to kind of punch that up, you know that I like my sea salt spray or just water. You can just spritz and scrunch. And that will just kind of punch up the curls if they're getting a little wilty for you. Just add a little water. Just punch it up a little bit. Really pretty. Can really get some volume with this one. Wow, I think that Janet is some beautiful hair. Beautiful date night hair. If you're going out for Valentine's Day with your special someone, how fun would this be? I love the big, beautiful hair. And so this one really fits the bill. And this color is gorgeous. If you guys like the color SF1228 Honey like I do, I really think you're gonna love this Glazed Apricot. It's beautiful. It looks to me like honey with a root. And I think it's gorgeous. I think this style is gorgeous. And remember to use my discount code so you can save money on this gorgeous girl, who, by the way, is, oh my gosh, seriously? She's only $59.99 to $66.99. So that would be like your captivating colors are going to be $66. But that's what she is right now on the website. That is before your discount. Tell me where else you can go to purchase beautiful quality wigs and beautiful hair for that price. Nowhere except for Paula Young. Wow, I think it's gorgeous. And I have more hair to review, but goodness, I could stop right here at Janet. She's beautiful. This is my dream. This brings me back to when I had big, beautiful bio hair, so I love it. I love wigs. Wigs are so much fun. If you're just starting your wig journey, I know it's scary. I know it might seem like a lot of hair, but I had more hair than this when I had hair. So it really isn't. I think we get to looking at ourselves with thin bio hair for so long, we forget what a head of beautiful, healthy hair looks like. And it's so much fun. I promise nobody is looking. I just get people that tell me, I love your hair is so beautiful. And if it feels right in the situation that we're in, I'll tell them it's a wig. You know, if it seems it's a little awkward situation that you're in, or you don't want to share it with the world, then you just say thank you. I think you are going to have so much fun. So if you are on the fence about wigs, I think you should do some research, watch videos, learn what you like, and definitely give it a try. Thank you so much, everyone. I'll see you really soon. Bye-bye.